Hi guys, today I'm starting a small series of videos about how to apply peel and stick timber wall or just any kind of decorative adhesive wood cladding. Here we have the timber wall XL. That's some kind of natural wood pieces. So yeah, there are some problems. I mean, it's not impossible, it's not super easy, but it's not super complicated. But there are a few things you have to be aware of, and if you watch my videos, it makes it a little bit easier to handle. Today I'm starting with, that's the first video, how to put on marks on the back side. Of course, when you want to cut such a piece, you don't want to bring on marks on the nice wooden side. You want to bring on the marks to cut on the back side with the self-adhesive. So how to make this? I had here a couple of things to write, and I've tried them all. So here we have a permanent marker. I was hoping to work with that, but you can see it it almost instantly disappears. You can write, it disappears, and even, yeah, there's a little bit still on here, but you can move, and when you go on over it, yeah, everything, oh, almost on the carpet, yeah, everything will be on your fingers, so it doesn't help a lot. So second possibility was some ball pen. So as you can see, it writes on the wood or on the paper. Yeah, probably not so much on the wood, but anyway, definitely not on this back side. There's no way to bring on marks with a ball point or ball pen. So okay, next possibility, that's a textile marker. I was hoping to work. It's a little bit better than the permanent regular permanent marker, but as you can see, it shrunk, or yeah, it almost disappeared, and it's still not dry. So if you yeah, you can drag and doesn't yeah, so it doesn't stay really, so you can't use it to cut. So at the end I tried a lot, and at the end the only thing that worked was this kind of really old-fashioned pencil. Yeah, it needs a sharpener, and that really worked. So I usually took another tile which was pre-cut, or of course you need the not the own cut side like this one, because it's not perfectly straight. You use this pre-cut or machine cut side, so you align these sides here and here, of course, and yeah, you have the measurement. Probably you took it to the wall, measured, let's say you have to cut till here, then you put it on top of that, align both sides, and then with the pencil, when it's aligned, you go down like this, and you have a nice mark. Doesn't move, I mean, it's totally yeah, it even, depending on the sharpness of the pencil, sometimes I have even cut the yeah, this self-sticking adhesive. So here it doesn't have a lot of color. Usually when I put, depending on the pressure you put on, you can even see that it's getting black. So you go back and forth a couple of times, and then you see it's here, it's black, it's really good visible. It doesn't yeah, move. Yeah, it's perfect to use this for cutting. So I definitely recommend this old-fashioned pencil for put on these marks to cut. So yes, I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that video. I will definitely continue with other videos. If you have any questions, just write to the comment section below. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.